Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to show you how to install a toilet in a basement that's connected to a septic tank. For this, you'll need your toilet, a pair of pliers or crescent wrench, and your wax ring with a gasket. Using the mounting bolts that came with the toilet, place them on each side. After that, take your toilet and put it into place. Reason we put it in like this is to go ahead and dry fit it, make sure it's like we want it, kind of twist it into place, move your bolts around if you want a little bit straighter. After that, tip it completely forward, take your wax ring and put it on the bottom of the toilet over the hole. Next, you're going to slowly set the toilet down, putting the gasket into the flange like that. That way when the water runs through, you have a nice wax seal around and the gasket's in there and the water just runs right by. So you're going to slowly set it down, making sure the gasket goes in the hole. After you make sure the gasket goes in the hole, make sure your mounting bolts are through and firmly press the toilet down. Now that the toilet is firmly pressed down, you're going to take your plastic washer, set your metal washer over the top, and place it over your bolt. Then take your nut and tighten it down. Now in tightening these down, you want to make sure that you don't tighten one side all the way, then go and tighten the other side, because a lot of times that'll crack the base of your toilet. What we're going to do is take and tighten one side until it's snug, and then tighten the other side. After you get your mounting bolts done, it's time to hook up your water supply line. For this, you're going to take your pipe, place it in the top of the shutoff valve. Go ahead and tighten down your nut. Make sure you don't go too tight, because if you go too tight, it'll start spraying water out of the top when you turn it back on. Now that you have that done, slowly turn your water on. After that, put the top on, and you're ready to go. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and you just learned how to put a toilet in a basement hooked to a septic tank. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your next project.